Good morning, my lovely friends. Today we study washing powder special brand formula. Special brand is a best result with the cheapest rate. Washing powder special brand. Number one, sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is the best strong base based cleaning agent 35 kg. My lovely friend. Number two, sodium sulfate. Sodium sulfate is a weak base and helping in cleaning with sodium carbonate and also helping with sulfuric acid. Sodium sulfate 18 kg. Number three, shampoo base. Shampoo base is a best foaming agent, 1.5 kg. Number four, sodium silicate. It is a builder. Uh, it is a water glass we use in washing powder for oily gel for softness. Sodium silicate 3 kg. Number 5, sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is a strong acid, best cleaning agent, best foaming agent. Sulfuric acid 6 kg. Salt is filler 35 kg. Number 7, non base powder 2 kg. Perfume 25 gram. My lovely favorite friend, best recipe with best result. Goodbye.